Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna learn about introduction to coding. So I have uploaded many coding videos like how to make a web browser app with the web browser using Python, app with using module of web browser with Python. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch it. The link will come here. Okay, here. So today we are gonna learn about what is coding. Okay, so this is the basic of coding, that if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about coding, so you can get this video and know what's coding. So let's go to our next page. So our next page is for introduction. So here we are connecting coding with real life. Just think you are at a market and your mother told you to buy beetroot, potato, ginger, garlic, bread, eggs, fish, milk and honey. You will think what a big amount of work, है ना? Because of this amount of work is very we can say we can't do it, and we can also forget what to bring, like we forgot that we need to bring potato or beetroot because of these are many. Okay, so but as next let's go forward. But as you know, every problem has a solution. You think I have written, but you can read it. You will think, why I not make a robot for me with no pay, work for me with no pay, and by doing the shopping at last time with difficulty, you came at home and make a robot who will work for you, and your robot is complete. Now you test it. Alas, it didn't work. Why? Because you have not told your robot that what will it do. Now here comes coding. You need to code into the robot's mind, which is we also call microprocessor or anything like motherboard. We can also say or memory, that what will it do. So you have not told your robot what to do, because if you don't even know that you need to do homework with it, and what to say when we need to do homework or to go to shopping. Okay, so here comes coding. Let's go to the next page. The next page is start with the beginning. Okay, so if you are a beginner, then you need to know these facts. Coding is a language which computer can understand, because they cannot understand language like English, Hindi, Malayalam, etc. So what is the difference in this language? So here it means that coding is a language that only computer can understand. So coding is a basic language which computers can understand, as written here, that because of computers cannot understand in English. Okay, so now you will tell that when we search in Google, we can search in any language. So that's why, because of we told the computer in its language, means coding language, to understand those words, that what will the meaning of this word, what will the meaning of that word. So we here we do Google can understand, because of Google is not the thing which we search and then it goes to the Google manager, then they write the answer and give you the answer. This is not truth. The truth is it is coded, because of it's coded that if you will search this thing, then your answer will get this, you will get is this. So there is coding. Okay, there is not as someone is working for you, you will search any question on Google, then it gets the answer to your question and then answers it, and that, so that will a long process to take. Okay, so this is so here we give the robot that you need, if the person search this, then you need to answer this. Okay, and if also in Google Assistant there is only coding. Okay, so let's go down to our next page. Coding. So here are the difference in computer language, the coding language, and the language which we talk in English, Hindi, Malayalam, Spanish, Telugu, etc. So the difference is there are many languages in programming. Also there are many languages that we can understand or in our language, like Java, Python, JavaScript, HTML, C, C++, etc. So here, like, so we have told the in the second line we have just told that there are these types of these are the language which computer can understand. So in the difference we can understand like Hindi, Spanish, English, Malayalam, or Telugu. Okay, so next is we can understand computer language if we want. So we can learn computer language. So you can also code. You can also become a coder. But computer can't understand our language even he wants. So here the simple meaning of the sentence is if you give the command to the computer in English or our language, it will not understand that. It will understand only its language. But when it is told in its language that you need to do this or you need to speak Spanish, so okay, so there it speaks Spanish, neither it will not know that how I need to do know Spanish or where to speak English, Hindi. Okay, so the fourth is Python is the easiest language to learn. So here as I coded with Python because I am also an intermediate. So Python is the easiest language which you can easily learn because of it's something related to English. Okay, so it's all of the its answer is basically in coding in English. Okay, some are different, but all the words are in English. Okay, so next if we go, how you start becoming a coder. So I have written you in a wrong way, so don't mind. Okay, so first step is pick a language to learn. Okay, so you need to pick a language and pick any language as you want. I suggest that you start with Python because of it's very easy to learn. Then step 2 is to download IDE. So download the IDE for the language that you have chosen. So there it comes an IDE in which you will code. So without IDE you can't code. Okay, so IDE is basically kind of an application which is made for that language coding. So if you choose Java, then you need to download Java IDE. If you choose Python, you need to download Python IDE. Okay, so start writing code is step 3. So just write print functions or any else for short functions, small functions which can be in 1 to 2 lines. Okay. Then the fourth is go to intermediate. It means you need to know how to use modules, okay, and another all languages to learn. Okay, now in step 5th, you need to be advanced. Okay, so if you be advanced and make app by yourself, then you are now a coder. And create hi-fi apps and publish app also on. You can also publish on App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, so let's go to you can also become a coder. So what are the benefits of coding? Okay, if you learn coding pretty well and become the 5th step professional coder, what are the benefits? Okay, so the benefits of coder is you can become rich and famous because of you. If you make a great app and publish it, you will get money. Okay, so if many people downloaded your app and you are now famous. Okay, and if like it is very useful, like Google is very useful, we all use Google. The one who has Android knows the responsibility of Google. Okay, and Byju's and Whitehead Junior, etc, etc. So these are useful apps which we can use very pretty. These are you can say user friendly apps. Okay, so if you will make this that kind of app, then you will become famous. Okay, and you can will also get respect from the people. And if you work hard, then you can also have your daily income be 1 lakh INR, Indian national rupees. Okay, next, there are many benefits of coding. So I have told just few of them. There are many benefits of coding. If you are a beginner, then you can learn Python. So as I suggested that you can learn Python. Okay, next page, do you have any questions? Okay, now we are gonna end this class, or you can say introduction to coding. So, okay, so if you have any questions, write down in comments below of this video. And if you have any questions, write down in the comments. And if you learned something, like, share and subscribe. And if you think that this video can also help my friends, family and classmates, then share to them. And thanks for watching. Meet on next video. Bye.